Welcome back, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Hope you're all doing well. Today I am out at Agility Customs, where the Tacoma is getting some surgery done. And if you followed me over on Instagram, you kind of have a little bit of a heads up as to what is actually going to be going on. So let me introduce this video by saying we are on the road to 35s. Now, I am going to be documenting all the steps that I am going to be taking before I actually put 35s on the Tacoma. Right now, I have about 30,000 miles on these Nitto Ridge grapplers that are the 285 70-17s. But there's just a few things that I personally want to take care of before I start stepping into those shoes. So join me on this little evolution of the Tacoma. And first up, we're doing a cab mount relocation, not just the chop. Stay tuned. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this install on the DRT Cab Mount Relocation that I had done on the Tacoma from the guys over at Agility Customs. Great shop, great guys, especially the Grandmaster welding wizard, Nick, over there. So thank you so much, and for all the great communications from that Yoda guy, or the Yoda guy, Jeffrey. Thank you so much for all the great communication out there. It's greatly appreciated. You guys took care of me. And if you guys are in the Utah area, be sure to check them out for any of your welding needs or any other customization that you're looking to do. I'm gonna wrap it up there. Once again, be sure to check out Agility Customs if you're looking to have some work done and you are in the Utah area. Great work, greatly appreciate it. If you like this video, be sure to smash the like button, leave a comment down below. Have you gotten the cab mount relocation, or are you just doing a chop? And if you're gonna go with the DRT version, let me know down in the comment section. Make sure that you're subscribed for more videos like this, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.